Good evening, tutorial mates. My name is Christian Realpe, and this is my presentation about the natural approach. Okay, natural approach is a method of foreign language teaching which aims to apply the principles of natural language acquisition into classroom. It focuses on first, helping beginners to become intermediate. Second, enhancing communication skills. And third, the primacy of meaning. Okay, the natural approach is primarily designed to develop basic communication skills, for example, speaking and writing, no? And is designed to help beginners become intermediate. Um, this is an example about natural approach with advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: first, we have say what comes naturally. Second, understanding is natural. Third, users don't need training. Let's continue with disadvantages. Disadvantages. First, the main specific. Second, porting is time consuming and costly. Third, requires trained developers. Fourth, still error prone. Fifth, still slow in real use. Okay, this is my presentation about natural approach. Thank you so much. Thank you for hearing me. See you soon. Bye.